HP 15-1036NR Laptop. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. HP's 15 series line of laptops is effectively the more affordable alternative to its premium Envy and Spectre line of ultrabooks. But, in recent months, more and more of the premium features have trickled down into the 15 series, and the latest HP 15-1036NR keeps the trend going with plenty to offers at a more reasonable price. The HP 15 offers decent performance and features a comfortable keyboard, and that might just be enough for us to fully recommend it. It arrived a day earlier than expected in good condition and without any damage. The battery takes 100% charge in 1 hour and 55 minutes. After charging, the battery lasted 5 hours between videos on YouTube and browsing the web. The screen resolution looks very good. Image quality very good. It takes 8 seconds to turn on. The screen is not touch. The keyboard is not illuminated. The fan is silent when used with the battery. When it is connected to the power, the fan is heard a little, but its sound is not annoying. It is very light. Its measurements are 14 1/8 inch by 9.5 inch. Today I have 10 days with this laptop and so far I am very happy with it. Good investment. When I have more time with this laptop I will come back and make another review. Pros. Excellent value. Elegant design. Strong notebook performance. Poppy, tactile keyboard. Cons. Lacks a backlit keyboard. Wrap it up. The HP 15-1036NR laptop packs just the optimal specs for day-to-day productivity. Thanks to its metal finish and thin bezels, it looks a well-built modern laptop, unlike its competitors. The keyboard feels nice and clicky but lacks backlit keys. It has a healthy port selection as well, which should suffice for pretty much every need. The battery, one of the main USP of this laptop, is quite big and you can easily go a day without charging it. Unfortunately, there is no scope for upgradability, which is particularly bad since this laptop is pretty low on storage. So, it has got all the latest specs for a respectable mid-range laptop, and you won't have any trouble using this laptop as your daily driver. However, if you don't need a backlit keyboard or don't care about upgrading the hardware of your laptop in the future, then HP 15-1036NR is an excellent machine for the price. It looks premium and has sturdier build quality than other competing laptops, and it offers a full-day battery life with fast charging support. Overall a great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for watching it. Have a nice day.